Assalamu alaikum everyone, and SHIB is pumping right now and does look good, does look amazing. I'm still holding SHIB for a long-term period here, and you're sitting at 925. So this very quick thing I want to talk about. So I do see a pattern here. So all you did is have this little bit of a rounded bottom right there, and you have broken above. So if we do look for a retest down here, that would be amazing to try to move to the upside. But I'm going to take the trend line and I'm going to drop the trend line from there to there, and we're going to do this just once again like that. And SHIB at the moment is pretty much looking for the next technical target up to 1045. So basically this pattern here takes SHIB to this technical target of 1045, but I do believe that the main target for SHIB can actually be up to 1133 and even up to 1400. There are chances that SHIB may actually move all the way to 1400. And I gave SHIB a long time ago. I gave a call a long time ago. I told so many people to ask me for a free coin that I think is going to give a 30%. So SHIB is the one. So, and basically if SHIB does actually end up pumping, because if you look at every single coin out there, Solana has pumped, Matic is moving up, Sand has been looking amazing, Jasmine has moved up, SLP moved up. If there's any train that is still left behind and lagging behind, it is actually SHIB. I haven't seen SHIB performing just yet. Even Pepe actually moved up. A lot of other meme coins like even CAS moved up, Dogecoin has moved up. So there's one place that the highest you probably may look for SHIB to go is here. So 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 and 4, and I do expect in the future, but this is one of the perfect time for SHIB to actually move up and touch that line, which is at nearly 1500. So if it does happen, then we are looking for a massive push up of 59 to 60% to the upside. So because that's where this is your supply zone basically. So this is a supply box. The supply area demands a lot of things, and if you start to take this high as well, if you come up and take that high, then you're looking for even higher technical targets. And I can expect SHIB to do something like this. This coin, to me, is just something that I like. I personally like SHIB, to be honest. So let's go down on the 4-hour time frame at the moment. And if you do retrace down and retest this area, that would be an amazing entry with a stop loss probably somewhere down here. And you can actually take it out there, try to have that 23% even as well. But I do believe there are a lot of stop losses sitting up here to this wick, which is going to be a technical target of 1131. So 1131 can actually be met, at least for this move that SHIB is having right now. You have seen Bitcoin going to the downside, but today SHIB is actually pumping. So there is a little bit of a mismatch between Bitcoin and SHIB. SHIB looks like it's on its own length right now, I guess. And that's it for this update on SHIB. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.